Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to download JDK and install it too. So go to the link given in the description and go to the Java SE development kit BU172 and download the version according to your Windows version or Linux or whichever version you are having. So my is Windows version 32-bit, so I will install Windows into 86 32-bit. So I will search for that. Yeah, so here it is, and I will click on the download. So I will click on it, download, and it will start downloading. It's downloading. I will cancel a download because I have already downloaded and installed it. So when you install it, so go to your Windows Explorer. So I am going to my Windows Explorer. Then go to your C drive. Then go to your program files and search for Java folder. So yeah, here it is to Java, and you will see I have one JDK, JRE, and SE also. So you can see I have all the three files for my Java development kit. I have all the Java development kit files. So here it is, you can see here in Java folder I have everything. So as you can see, so here it is. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, share to other people and help each other. Thank you.